Hello you all, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete Tinder account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as well any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do, first of all, you're going to go ahead, access your Tinder account on your mobile phone, aka your app, and then afterwards this kind of interface will pop up where you can go ahead, swipe right, swipe left according to your need. Once you have done so, what you're going to do, since let's say you have opened, you have found your match, or you just thought it was just consuming your time, it's not worth it, you didn't find the kind of person you wanted in your life, anyways, you're done with it. So if you want to delete the account, you will go to your profile icon that will be given below right corner. This kind of interface will pop up right with the profile's information. Tap on the settings icon that will be given on top right corner, and now swipe down below. All the settings will appear. You don't care, you want to delete your account, then you can tap on the delete account option given below. It will give you another option that any app would do, like do not go, please use pause my account. But you want to delete account, tap on delete my account. Now you gotta choose a reason. As I mentioned before, I've met someone, something is broken, might be your heart, or I need a break from Tinder, of course it's too tiring, or I want a fresh start, I don't like Tinder, all this, anything. Tap on others, you will have to write your reason. Better choose anything. So I say something is I need a break from Tinder, and now again tap on delete my account, and boom, your account is deleted. Tap on got it. Now you have to create again a new profile if you want to get back to it. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.